in Yorkshire, the Yorkshire Dales, a place that we've never really experienced or explored before. It's about 17 miles outside of the Lake District where we are, and I can see why people call it God's country.
So here we are at Ingleton Waterfall Trails, which is 4.5 miles, and it's meant to take 2.5 to 4 hours. I think it'd be nearer 4 for us. I mean, look at that. So there's markers all along the path to show you that you're going the right way and not like us get lost. What a lovely place this is. So the track has quite a few steps, so it's not really suitable for people who's got mobility issues. But what a place. Hey.
Have you noticed that it's quite a red water?
I think it's just like, normally it's from metal.
Is it?
Aye.
Like iron or something?
Aye, something like that.
It looks like blood.
It does, aye. It's a lush show, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bear in mind, it's only like 2 minutes from the main road.
There's a money tree here.
And it's worth quite a bit.
How do you know?
I've seen all the coins.
Yeah. 2p's, 1p's, 5p's.
50 pence here.
Oh. Someone's had a big wish. You're supposed to hammer it in, aren't you, and then make a wish?
Aye.
Looks like there's loads of these money trees all over the place. There's another massive one.
I'm not going. Do you know why they put all the money in here?
No.
It's a special tree.
Right.
It's a bit like sycamore cap.
This is one of 5 of the main waterfalls, and this is the first viewing point. Apparently it's 30 metres high, and it falls over sandstone embedded by slate.
No expert, but it's quite a decent pecker. Is that an impressive pecker?
It is a very impressive pecker. Look at that. The route is actually classed as being easy, but to be honest, I would say it was a bit more intermediate. Look at this behind us.
It's lush, isn't it?
Andrew!
How nice is this?
Welcome.
Olive. Hey. Aye, she didn't appreciate my sense of humour.
Why?
I was walking up the steps there, and when I got to the top, blowing through my arse, she said to her friend, "Oh, look at the magnificent views." And I looked at her and says, "Why, thank you." She just stared as if I was nuts.
natural beauty. Ice cream.
Should be alcohol.
I know. Great if it was a little pub up here, wouldn't it?
Ah, you know. I mean, it's a lush walk, isn't it? But
It is.
there's a whole lot of steps
Yep.
and it's quite slippy. It's a nice campsite, isn't it? What?
Is it a campsite?
Yeah.
Is
They
it?
have all the electric hookups and
Oh, it is nice. I think this is the one that doesn't open till April.
now, there's quite a few around here that don't open until I think March or April.
Yeah. It's a shame though.
But that's good to just get out of the way, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it's a little bit rural, yes.
She's tied right round my legs. I'm gonna fall on my bum.
I'll save you.
Thanks.
I'm nearly there yet.
How lovely is that?
Isn't it?
So these waterfalls are surrounded by limestone, like the cliffs are limestone.
Is it?
I think so. I think that's what I read.
Right. Are you sure? Or you just made that up?
I might have made it up, but I'll double check.
Sounds good though.
It does.
Yeah.
And people have been coming here since 1885,
Right.
when it was discovered.
This area here is renowned for like rare birds and for bird watching.
Is it?
Yeah.
So it's £10 each to enter into this, like, what is it, like a nature reserve or?
So look, it's a nature reserve, just hiking trail for the. It's well maintained though.
Yeah, it is. And it's really worth a tenner, to be honest.
Yeah, it is.
But you've got to pay by card, but that's okay too. But then you get all these spectacular views. Look at this. You've been putting fairy liquid in there again.
So this is one of the main areas for bird watching.
Is it?
And this here is famous for great tits. Howin, let's move on.
For those that are interested in birds and bird watching and stuff, there is birds here called the dipper. Is that right?
Yeah.
Called the dipper. And they are brown and black with white chests and white throats.
So there's a sign there that says that people climb down there to go across to see the lesser spotted wet tits.
Is that an actual bird?
Yeah. And up this hill is the famous sweaty tits. Stand in the tree, just in front of us.
There he is. Hello. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little boy, there's a little robin. Oh, he's just flown away. That was cute. Yeah, you've definitely got to keep dogs on leads because they could run down there. Well, ours would. If your dog's as crazy as ours. It's an interesting shape. Mate, you need the toilet.
Aye. Aye. They just need a drink.
Yeah.
It's mental because you can see the sandstone underneath.
Maybe it's sandstone and not limestone. Maybe I got
Oh,
mixed
it's
up.
limestone, is it?
Oh, I don't know. I'll find out. Find out and do one of my information slides.
Olive.
This bit here that we've just walked past is Twisselden Glen, which is on the waterfall trail. Part of, I think we're nearly on the home ground. I think we're nearly back.
Go right at your hand.
Look at that bit down there.
Right. And down by the river door.
Have we nearly completed the whole thing?
Nah, I think there's still a way yet.
It's a lovely walk though, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Especially on a nice day. I mean, it's a little bit slippery underfoot, but I think it obviously would be way worse in autumn or proper winter, like snowy, icy winter.
I think once the campsite's open in March and April, it's definitely worth visiting.
Yeah.
Because even ours is, people said it's out of the way. It's only, 2 minutes drive?
Yeah, it's only about just over a mile away, isn't it?
It is,
So, yeah, but we'll show you around in a bit. But for now, I think there's a pub at the end of this trail.
Oops.
Looks like old ruins or something. Doesn't it?
Aye.
What do you think it is? Like an old quarry or something?
Yeah, it could be. Like behind that face there. I can still tie a half hitch.
That's cool. Fancy doing that?
I would, on a bigger scale though.
Well, we made it.
In one piece as well, and without getting lost for the first time ever, I think.
I know, but now we're going to go through the village, so hopefully we won't get too lost. Got the map.
How do we get by the car though?
Don't know that. Yeah, we've got to figure out how to get back to the car park from here. So that'll be a challenge, but this is a nice little town. It's got loads of fish and chips and cafes and what's that say?
Pub.
Old post office. I think it's a pub. Yeah, it's cute. Look,
It is. Lovely. Lush.
nice tower or whatever that is there. Right there.
You smell real fires.
Yeah, you can. Ooh, look at that camper. Very orange.
We'll go to the wee chief.
2 for you, and then I'll go and get mine.
Thank you very much, Lee. Cheers.
Not even joking.
Come on. Sit. Come on. You're not having me fear.
What you doing? What you doing? Come on then, up you get. Right, sit down. Sit down nicely and say hello. Look at her scrambling for the beer. Oh, she'll knock that over. I like the beer.
Don't look at us like you're not having any of this. So, no one that. Nah, you'll have that. Don't.
Oh, a relief.
This is some kind of famous viaduct here, isn't it? Do you know what it is?
I was more interested in the three horseshoes there. Yeah, no idea.
You're brilliant with the facts, aren't you? And your research.
Well, the Three Horseshoes in Ingleton is sponsored by Thwaites Brewery. Thwaites make a lovely, delicious beer. First quenching after a nice long walk.
Hashtag not bloody sponsored. Why Thwaites?
I don't know, that's how it was.
It's like your favourite pastime, isn't it?
Bloody hell,
What?
it's expensive here.
Is it?
It's one $795 for a 4-bedroom barn conversion. You can buy a plain town in the northeast for that.
Yes.
Cheers. So after a nice hike today, we're ready for some hearty pasta. So we'll see you next time. If you can please like and subscribe, it does help out. And thank you very much for watching. Toodaloo.
Bye.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever.